Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is fathom. It is pronounced fa-thom, and it is spelt F-A-T-H-O-M. Think fat and then hom. Fathom has two meanings. The first is to understand a problem or person after much thought. The second is a unit of length used to describe water. This distance is equal to about 1.8 meters. For example, you could say, she could not fathom why she had been fired, or the boat was in 20 fathoms of water. Fathom comes from the Germanic word faden, meaning 6 feet or the outstretched arms. This may seem strange, but in the olden days, before tape measures or rulers, an easy way to measure things was in comparison to your arm span. Stand up and open your arms wide now. While you will probably not quite reach up to 6 feet or 1.8 meters, the average arm span of an adult will. This unit of measure is not used today, but the word fathom and its measurement of 6 feet or 1.8 meters in reference to water remains the same. Fathom can be both a verb, a doing word, and a noun, a thing that exists. For example, you could say, he could not fathom the solution to the tricky riddle, and use the word as a verb. Or, we swam in 3 fathoms of water, using it as a noun. Fathom is defined in the dictionary as, firstly, to discover the meaning or an understanding of something or someone, and secondly, a unit for measuring the depth of water, equal to 1.8 meters or 6 feet. Fathom synonyms include understand, comprehend, work out, grasp, and perceive. Antonyms include misinterpret, misunderstand, guess, lose, miss, and neglect. See if you can fathom anything today. If you are faced with a tricky maths or science question at school today, impress your friends and teachers by saying that you think you can fathom the answer. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.